This is a nice iPhone 7 case. So you can see like the rose gold, the packing is in a very solid box. I'm just opening the box. Here it opens and you can find like a good box, and then inside is a rose gold iPhone 7 color. There is one bonus attachment, or we can say like a case for it. We will discuss it later. It looks smooth from all the corners, painted good. You can feel like the smoothness. The color shines well. Here is my iPhone 7. I'm trying to fit it inside it, and here it goes. No issues. All the cuts are good for the flash and the camera. Here is like the switch off and volume buttons work fine. No issue with these. And then here is the power off and off button, works good with this. And you can see the corners are so soft. These cuts are just to take it out easily. The speaker and everything, like the connector, everything fits well. Now let's try this attachment which comes with it. It looks like phone case. Now I think I'm not putting it right. So here just put the attachment. So there are 4 blocks. One is need to put for the height, and then here it goes. Holds well. The iPhone 7, it holds well, no issue with that. And then you can also see your iPhone from here. So here like this is good quality as well, and the 4 holes you can fit in to adjust, and here it goes.